A U.S. appeals court on Thursday reinstated President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, a day after a trade court ordered an immediate block on them. The Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit in Washington provided no opinion or reasoning for reinstating the tariffs. White House trade advisor Peter Navarro said that U.S. tariffs would remain in place for now.
The tariffs remain in place. The court told us, they didn't all but tell us, they told us, go do it another way. So you can assume that even if we lose, we will do it another way. And I can assure the American people that the Trump tariff agenda is alive, well, healthy, and will be implemented to protect you, to save your jobs and your factories, and to stop shipping foreign wealth, our wealth, into foreign hands.
My fellow Americans, this is Liberation Day, waiting for a long time.
The trade court's ruling on Wednesday threatened to kill, or at least delay, the imposition of Trump's Liberation Day tariffs on most U.S. trading partners. But the White House said the ruling had not interfered with any negotiations with top trading partners that are scheduled in the days ahead. Wednesday's order to block Trump's tariffs had given financial markets a brief boost, but Thursday's turn of events left Wall Street with no clear direction. Analysts said broad uncertainty remains over the future of Trump's tariffs, which have cost companies more than $34 billion in lost sales and higher costs, according to a Reuters analysis.
European stocks and Wall Street futures rose on Thursday. Investors reacted after a US federal court blocked President Donald Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs from going into effect. It quickly sent the dollar up on safe haven currencies. The Manhattan-based Court of International Trade ruled Trump overstepped his authority by imposing his across-the-board duties on imports from US trading partners. The White House quickly appealed the decision and could take it all the way to the Supreme Court if needed. But the court's action offered some hope Trump might back away from the highest tariff levels he had threatened. Europe's Stoxx 600 index was up 0.3% in early trade. US markets looked primed for a stronger reaction, with S&P 500 futures reaching 1.6%. Asian markets also jumped as Japan's Nikkei and South Korean shares both climbed just under 2%. News of the court decision hit traditional safe haven currencies. The dollar gained nearly 1% against the Japanese yen, though that later eased. And the greenback was also up against the Swiss franc. Gold prices also dropped to a more than 1 week low. Gold is seen as a safe asset during geopolitical and economic uncertainties and hit multiple record highs this year.